Hi, this is Yogesh Sharma, and we have a factory in Jodhpur named Seven Seas. We are in export business of furniture, and we ordered kilns with Woodtech, and I'm happy to say that everything happened on time. The delivery, the installation, and they gave us really good service in this whole process. We were new in this kiln drying process and very thankful to their engineers who stayed with us in the factory for at least 10 days to make us learn how things should happen, what things we should take care, and little things which we never knew without them. And it was a good training for our staff and for us, and very helpful. And especially Mr. Balaji is a great guy and with a great knowledge. Definitely, I recommend Woodtech for the perfection and the professionalism they have, and hope to get their services soon. Thank you, Woodtech guys. Thank you.